thought that I would share with you guys how I create my collages. I feel like everyone does this in a really different way. This is personally my way, but what I like to do is I like to have everything pre-cutted. This way, whenever I want to do a collage, I literally just need to stick things together. So what I personally do is whenever I came across a newspaper or any sort of magazines, I just select the pages that I'm interested in, or like just pages that have like picture, words, whatever, and then I'm cutting everything with this handy paper cut. So you basically put a piece of paper right here and then use this one scar. Honestly guys, this saves me. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. But of course, if you don't have one, scissor works as well, and I've been using scissor for a really long time, so I know the struggle. So after I cut everything, I tend to put it in a box or like in a binder. I definitely should find a way to organize all my cutting bits, because I have like tons of boxes where I store different things, and I feel like at the end of the day they're definitely not organized. So I'm still looking on organization method, and when I find it I will make sure to share it with you guys. But basically, after all the cutting is done, it's time to have fun. And what I usually do is I'll lay everything down and then I select the pieces that I like, and then I basically try to piece them together. Also, when it comes to my life journal, I tend to represent something that actually happened in that period of my life. So let's say I got a new phone, I'm gonna do a feed that is based on my new phone somehow. So depending on what I want to represent on that page, I'll find elements that are somehow relatable to that, and then I'll just glue them together. Also, talking about glue, I'm actually obsessed with this glue pen. It's super cheap, from like Poundland. If you live in the UK, you need to get it. I love it. Like, it's literally the best thing ever. I swear by it. That is pretty much how I do my collages. It's like a super easy process. I don't know if the pre-cutting bit is a trick or not. It's definitely helpful for me, and if you never thought about it, maybe now you do. And of course, before I say goodbye, I'm gonna let you see my life journal so far. Are you guys ready? There she is. Oh my god, you guys, I'm legit obsessed with the cover page that I did. I really love it. I don't have much so far, so I want to do a flip through of my journal at the end of 2021 like I did last year. So I'm just gonna show you guys this page that I kind of mentioned and talked about. This is how it looks like. Also, if you haven't seen the video where I actually talk about my brand new phone, I'll link it in the eye. Be sure to go ahead and check it out. You don't want to miss that. So that was the video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what video would you like to see next. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new cover every Tuesday and the main channel video every Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!